How was 2024 for NFI?
Excellent, man.
इसलिए मैंने पढ़ दिया था.
आवाज नहीं निकल रही गले से. No, look at the बोला था मैंने पहले भी.
Are we like done? Let me tell you, it was nothing less of a roller coaster ride. We made it count where it mattered the most. From new offices to new project, award ceremonies, interns, and lots more. Well, hold on to your hats while we take you for a 2024 year wrap. At NFI, we work with grassroots organizations and community leaders to empower local initiatives. How do we do it? By providing them with necessary tools, trainings, and support. We enable them to bring about change from ground up.
अंकुरन कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत हम लोग मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ और उड़ीसा की 20 ऐसी संस्थाओं के साथ काम कर रहे हैं जिनका नेतृत्व वंचित समुदाय से आने वाली महिला लीडर्स करती हैं। इस वर्ष हम लोगों ने उनके साथ संवैधानिक मूल्यों, जेंडर और लीगल एंटाइटलमेंट को लेकर व्यवस्थित प्रशिक्षण आयोजित किए हैं तथा अपने फील्ड विजिट्स के दौरान इन मुद्दों के साथ प्रपोजल राइटिंग और दस्तावेजीकरण आदि पर हैंड होल्डिंग सपोर्ट प्रदान किया है।
For more than 30 years, NFI has been working closely with CSOs and stakeholders in the Northeast. We have successfully launched Northeast CSO Resilience Grant, where 15 partners from across the region have been selected to intensify the work of democracy and social justice.
NFI launched the Frontliners Insurance Program this year in December. This is an insurance program for CSO workers who takes critical services to the last person standing on the ground. This has a coverage of 3 lakhs per annum and it also covers maternity benefit.
We believe in passing the mic, nurturing young leaders who strive to bring about social justice and equality. For this, we have several leadership development programs where we skill individuals, especially from marginalized communities, and to give them opportunity to bring about change in their communities and beyond.
बंधुत्व कार्यक्रम में हम 10 नागरिक समाज संस्थाओं के साथ पार्टनरशिप किए हैं जो वंचित समुदाय, खासतौर पर महिला और किशोरी बालिकाओं के विकास के लिए काम करते आएंगी। 2024 में हमारे तरफ से इन संस्थाओं की इंस्टीट्यूशनल स्ट्रेंथनिंग और फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के प्रति ज्यादा ध्यान दिया गया था। ट्रेनिंग्स, डिजाइन मीटिंग्स और हैंड होल्डिंग विजिट के जरिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैल्यूज, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन में कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग किया गया था।
As you know, ASRI is a field-based research internship program. This year, we finished the second round of the internship program. We had 90 interns completing the internships with us, placed in different villages across different Indian states.
So I really feel that the experiences of this 1 month are going to stay with me, and I would know how to conduct a research, how to talk to new people. So I really believe that this 1 month and the learnings of this internship are really going to help me in my future prospects.
Change always demands determination and support. We create partnerships and connect communities with the financial skills and resources and people which eventually acts as a bridge towards their dreams.
2024 had been very exciting for the climate team at the National Foundation for India. We had an opportunity to sign MOU with Indian Meteorological Department from the Ministry of Earth Sciences in creating some awareness generation material around extreme weather events. We also launched our report on energy transition and its impact on the coal communities in and around 3 states of India, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand, after surveying almost 1200 households in 6 districts. And finally, we are wrapping up the year with 2 case studies and a beautiful documentary with the Kandh tribes. The indigenous knowledge and climate change are interlinked and interconnected, and that was the whole idea behind the event.
One thing we're really committed to here at NFI is having spaces for meaningful conversations. We truly believe that progress starts with talking. We provide safe, and inclusive spaces, platforms where we can share ideas, have conversations, and share ideas to have solutions.
In the celebration of the 75 years of the Indian Constitution, we started an year-long campaign by the name of Samvidhan Se Hum. During this campaign, we started with a podcast series where we had a lot of people from the civil society as well as academia talk about the constitutional values. Followed by that, we had a video competition where we invited videos from the youth asking about what constitution means to them in their own lives. Further in March, we had a mural exhibition by the name of Hamari Virasat, where 75 artisans from across the country represented their work. After that, we had a constitutional conclave organized in Delhi, where many people from the academia, civil society and from the legal fraternity came together to talk about the challenges they are facing currently around them in practicing the constitutional values. During the Samvidhan Utsav in Bhopal, we had a lot of folk artists come together and celebrate the Indian Constitution through music and art.
On Menstrual Day, Gonj, NFI, CDPP and Ashoka, we organized a MS dialogue where we discuss women's health issue at societal and professional level. The event include a panel discussion featuring researchers, academics and daily wage female workers where they highlighted their key issues and discussed the possible solution.
That sounded like a lot of work. Well, now that you've heard me and my teammates say a lot, let us see what our executive director has to say.
I'd like to thank all our donors, our supporters, the communities we work with, the young people we work with, the different stakeholders of our programs across the country who've given us the space to grow, to consolidate, to expand our programs, to deepen our work in 2024. I look forward to your continued support in 2025 to take forward the mission of enabling social justice that NFI stands for.
Now I would like to introduce team who work on the backstage, not on the front foot with NFI. The backstage team, which includes Mohammad ji, Rohtaz ji and Joshi ji, who works hand in hand throughout all the events.
Here's to another year of making a difference and enabling social justice. A very happy new year to everyone. Do not forget to follow us on our social media channels and subscribe to our newsletter to stay connected and tuned to all the happenings of NFI.